This recipe cuts back the sugar of most cobbler recipes for better health and because too much sugar overpowers the taste of the apples. Start by peeling, coring, and slicing your apples thin. To the apples, add a half cup flour mix, nutmeg and cinnamon, vanilla and salt, and maple syrup or brown sugar. Stir your apples well. And then set aside. In a medium bowl, combine 2 cups flour mix, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Then cut in the butter. Stir your apples again, and then add them to a baking dish or cast iron skillet. Add the buttermilk to your flour mixture and stir just until the flour is incorporated. Top your apples with 3/4 of a cup of water. Then spoon the batter over the apples. Top with cinnamon and sugar if desired, and bake about 40 minutes. Serve this warm from the oven as is or top with vanilla ice cream. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for a new recipe each week.